Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I hope everyone is well. I'm going to show you this quick video for you to have an awesome breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We're having it for dinner today guys, so come on and watch me do this video. I have this pot here, it's empty guys. I'm making grits and shrimp today, and that's what I'm going to have. I'm using grits guys, these are my ingredients. Creole Seasonings, salt, pepper. I have a little parsley, some milk, and some shrimp and butter. Those are my ingredients. And I have a bottle of water. Alright guys, I'm going in to this pan. I think it's 12 ounces. And I'm pouring it in. Okay? That's what you want to do. My eye was on already. And then I'm going to take this cup, half cup of milk, and pour it in also. Okay? Then I'm going to take and I'm going to put some of this kosher salt into the palm of my hand. About that much. Pour that in. Okay? All my ingredients are going into my water and my butter. If you choose to use some McCormick seasoning guys, you can, or you could use broth. All of this is going to boil up guys. Let it come to a royal boil, and then I'm going to pour my grits in. So let's give this about 3-4 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got Quaker's grits here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go in because my water is boiled up and pour some. I'll give you measurements guys on my page. I'll give it to you. You want to get a rubber spatula and you want to rub this all in just like that. Okay, and what we want this to do is to come to a boil. I think I need to add a little more grits to that. Okay, now we got those. We're going to let this come up to a boil. And you want to kind of keep your eye on these grits. If you think that you want more seasoning, this is the time to add them, guys. Okay? So I'm going to let this come up to a boil and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. See how the grits have came together and how creamy they are? Now you want to take them and you want to keep working them together. Turn your heat all the way down on low. Okay? Now we got that heat on low. You see how creamy they are? If you want the grits to be more loose, you can add water. They're perfect for me. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to go in. My heat is down on low. And now I'm going to go in with my butter. 2 teaspoons of butter. Put it in there. Just like that, guys. Okay? Cameraman, come and let them see this. Okay? Now I'm going to make the shrimp. I'm going to put this on the back. Let it sit. And we'll be back with our grits. Awesome grits, guys. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Now we're going to do our shrimp, okay? Real easy dinner today. We're going to go in with a cap full of oil. Got a little Crisco oil. I don't have any more olive oil, guys. I'm out. Okay? So we're going to go in with that. And then we're going to go in with a teaspoon of butter. Keeps you from burning up your oil and butter together. Keeps you together. That's what we're going to saute our shrimp in. Okay? So, that's what we want. Just like that. Then, guys, I'm going to go in with my shrimp. Alright, guys. We're going to go in with the shrimp. And I don't feel my skillet is hot enough. Let's wait about 2 minutes, guys, and I'll be right back. I'm going in with these shrimp. just like this. I'm gonna put them in. And while we're putting those in, we got a little butter in there. Okay. And I'm just gonna go in with a little Creole seasoning. Just a little. I'm gonna go in with a little pepper. And I'm going to go in with a little salt, guys. Okay. Just want to cook those until they turn pink. Once they turn pink, you kind of want to flip them over, guys. Like that. If you want them to get really crunchy and crispy on you, you cook them longer. I just want mine to be seasoned and tasty. Okay. Alright, and that's it to it. That's all to it. Like that. Alright. Alright, guys. I'm going to plate this up in front of you. I'm going to take the grits and I'm going to put some in the bowl. Just like this. And I'm going to take the slice of cheese and put it right there in the middle. And then I'm going to put more of the grits on top. And then I'm going to take my shrimp. I'm going to put them over there like this. And voila. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. Guys, that is a meal to die for. I'll see you guys later. Voila! Bye-bye.